Good afternoon, dear viewers. Last three videos I was talking about the bird who made the nest in front of my main door, and this is the main door again. And we found, I told you in last video that we found 3 kids, and these kids are 3 kids. They are and very lovely. What they do, they just make noise, and their mom, I'm gonna show you in the next video that their mom brings food for them, these 3 little guys. And they are very, I mean, you know, my daughter actually found them first, and she told me that